Okay guys, 2021 Tesla Model S long range. Present you from Real Deal Auto. This is a rebuilt title. It shows that it had water damage, but didn't have to do anything to fix it. Doesn't show any signs of it. You can Google the VIN and see those pictures and show up, and you can see everything looks good as it should. No signs of water deposit anywhere. So it's got the new steering wheel here. Air ride suspension, charging. We'll get a full charge on here and show you how many miles, but 60%, you know, it's definitely over 300 miles. So seats have heated and cooled seats. So 50,610 on the miles. Hardware 3, autopilot. Once you get set up, you can set up your upgrades for the full self-drive and things like that. Let me show you the backup cameras. So power windows, power locks, leather seats, all glass roof. The number again. Have all your YouTube, all your games back here, all your seat heat controls. Nice Pirelli tires. Does come with your charging cable here. Looks like it has both plugs in there. This has been inspected by Tesla. So it is on the supercharging network. They have to check all the charging system and battery, make sure everything's good on it. So gives you reassurance that the water didn't get anywhere. Nice black features, no chrome on this thing. You can check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.